Yeah.
We have to clear the name.
Yeah, we'll clear and leave. Godwin.
Chairman?
Yes.
Yes. I guess can I ask a question?
Yes, you can.
Off camera, please.
Who is it? Is Godwin? How many did Godwin got?
But doctor.
Question, you gave an explanation which was understood. That's one. The final vote here, as per my count, here was 199 votes. Hello? 199, with the 3 void votes? No, 1 vote void. 1 vote void. So we have 200 votes. We had a head count of 218. I still wanted the mystery of what happened to the 18 people who were already in here. What happened? Would you have it on record that I asked this question? There was a head count, right? 218. Then the door was locked. Everybody got seated. We started counting, and then we got a total vote count of 200 votes. And as far as I can recollect, there was no single person here who did not cast his or her vote. That is seated here. I mean, seated here, right? After the head count, I just want to be, in case there is something I was missing. Hello? Did you understand the question? Yes. I know that overvoting is not good enough, but it's just in case I was missing something, just for my own clarification. So a total 200 votes cast, and then 18 people did not cast. So, and everybody here, to the best of my knowledge, voted because the door was locked. So, did I miss anything? Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you. Hello, please, maybe just
Hello. Thank you very much for the question. Thank you for recapping. You did say that I already explained how we got to 218. And I did count it 3 times, and I announced it before the vote started. I said I did head count, and the first number we got was 217. And yes, 217. And I went back again to count. And when I 216. The first was 216. And I went back to do a second count, and I got 217. And that led me to a third count. And when I did the third count, I still got 217. And
Honorable Chris
Emeka
made case for a former woman leader, which
at the end of the day, we checked the list, her name was there, but she was stopped from coming in, and we made a case, and we were able to get her back. And I mentioned it that 217, but there is one of the delegates that we are expecting, and that she's on her way, and that when she comes, I will bring her in. And when she came, I went out I brought her in and I announced that she's in. So we now have 218. So number of accredited voters, 2 persons asked those questions and I answered them that the total number of accredited voters is 218. And I put the question, are you satisfied with the answer? And the 2 of them said yes, and there was no counter opinion on it. So the total number of accredited voters 218. And for the other question that 18 people didn't vote, yeah. You recall, during the voting, there was some noise there. And one of the aspirants again came to me, I can't remember which one, and said there was an old man that was seated here that was sleeping. He needed food, he had to go outside, and that now he's been deprived from coming in. And I said, okay, when he comes back, I will go back outside and bring him in. Remember, I went out, and and he was at the door, and I brought him in. And I said, where is your tag? And he said, the tag is the bag by this seat that is just here. And he went there, he picked the tag, and he came to go. So there are many others that went out to do one thing or the other. And there are some that will be here. They may not wish to vote, they will not vote. So you can't actually force anybody to vote. But flowing from what we have here, it shows that 18 persons did not vote. And we have 218 accredited voters, and 200 voted, 199 valid vote, 1 void vote. So that's why we now have 200. Thank you very much. No, I think we have to go on.
No, just one more thing.
We'll continue that. Yeah, I just needed to conclude this because I have to give document to INEC and some other persons so that we don't keep them. This is a family affair. We will deal with it.
So, am I finishing now?
Yeah, so just hold on, just hold on.
Just before you
No, please just hold on, please. I'll come back to you, please. Yeah. No, oh, wait now. Oh, please. Let's come back.
Results. We had 16 aspirants that contested this election, and 3 of these aspirants stepped down. They are Atiaba Emeka Benson, SAN, stepped down. Dr. Tony Okechukwu Muye also stepped down. Zerebe Marcellinus Chukwu Meze also stepped down. The polling people participated in the election, and their scores are as follows. Azubwegu Chris Emeka Honorable, 10 votes. Uwochi Jenebe, 3 votes. Senator Ekwunife Uche, 44 votes. Obiora Okonkwo, 58 votes. Okeke Water Baka, 2 votes. Ekwena Ifede Andrew, 1 vote. Meku Alexandra, 2 votes. Eze Sinato, 62 votes. Ubab Petra, 0 votes. Udeo Wasted Dubueze, 12 votes. And 1 voided vote. And I declare, I, Comrade Philip Shaibu, the chairman of Anambra gubernatorial, PDP gubernatorial primaries, date 26th day of June 2021, by the power conferred on me by the 1999 Constitution as amended, and the electoral law and the Constitution of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, as amended, hereby declare Mr. Ezwebo Valentine Chinato as the winner of the PDP Anambra gubernatorial primary election held today, 26 June 2021, having scored the highest vote of 62 as winner of these primaries. Congratulations. Acceptance stage, please. Yes, please you can come forward. Mr. Chinato. Congratulations.
Hey.
Congratulations. All right. The outcome of today's exercise. I want to especially appreciate the panel that conducted this primary. I want to salute especially Comrade Driver, George Laika, and Habiba Mohammed, and other members of the panel for an excellent job to have conducted this in a very transparent, credible, and free manner. Thank you so very much. I have to also especially appreciate all the other members of the National and Zonal Working Committee. I want to appreciate the National Chairman in Anambra State, His Excellency B2B. I want to appreciate the National Organizing Secretary and other members of the National Working Committee for the party, PDP. But more importantly, I want to appreciate my fellow aspirants. I don't think we have winners and losers. We're all winners because ultimately Anambra is going to turn PDP come November 6th election. And with this, Anambra will begin to witness a new dawn. I want to beg and plead with all my other fellow aspirants who participated in this exercise to understand the need for us to come together as one family. Because it's only by consensus, teamwork, and family reunion that we can ultimately conquer. And it's important that I say this because this has been the burden that we face over the years. And this is time for us to turn the leaf that can help us usher indeed a new dawn. For Anambra people, it is a start of something great. We are here to change our story. We are here to show that Anambra can talk, like we use in the mantra. It's not a time for long speech, it's just to say how great we are, and I say this on behalf of my darling wife, and other members of the campaign organization. And I say, God bless you all, and God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Yeah, INEC.